Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking all about fake Gucci that I bought on Amazon. This whole saga began a few weeks ago. I was on Amazon because I wanted to buy a cheap, cute bag. Amazon has become my go-to place for like clothes, shoes, everything. I'm going on a vacation in like a year, but I've just been thinking a lot about what I want to buy, and I was just gonna look, okay? So I was first looking at some black chain bags, and then I stumbled across like this whole realm of dupe bags that are on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure they all come from China. So let's see if they have fake Gucci on there. And they do. So I went ahead and I ordered a bag that I really like. I'm gonna unbox that for you today, and then I also have a fake Gucci belt coming in the mail. That's gonna come in a couple weeks. That one I ordered the beginning of October, and it told me it was gonna be delivered November 15th. That one's definitely coming from China. This one, it shipped from New Jersey, but I'm pretty sure that it's from overseas. This is the bag right here. It is bigger than I thought it was. The pictures online showed that it was like, you know, like a smaller, like cute satchel bag, like side bag, but this is fine because I really do like actually the big size. So I'm gonna unbox this one, but let me first talk about what it is. On Amazon, there is this it's called the Women's Fashion Shoulder Bag. Ladies Crossbody Bag Girls Chain Handbag Satchel Tote Purse. It's by the brand Bonito, and it was $29.99 with free shipping, no tax. And it comes in 3 colors. The Gucci print with like the little like flaps being black, red, or brown, and I got the brown. This came in like the Amazon resealable bag, but it has kind of a fake, like not fake, but a dust bag, and it also has this plastic. So let's open that up. Then here is the dust bag thingamabobber right here, and it feels so sturdy. Like, I'm already so happy with this. I'm like really excited about this. So this is the bag right here. I mean, like, it looks real, I think. I don't own a Gucci bag, so I couldn't really tell you what actually looks real and what does not. This is like a decent size too. I'm a tall person, so I'm not like super petite, and this is I mean, it's obviously fake. Like the G's, it says GD instead of GG, but like, come on, if you saw this from like back here, you would think it was real, wouldn't you? And it has the chain. So here's the bag. You open it up, and on the inside there are 2 big pockets here and then a zipper pocket that you can close up. Dude, I'm impressed. And it smells like a purse. Like, it doesn't smell like burnt or like weird or anything. It just smells like a new bag. This is the bag close up, if you wanted to see. And this is the inside. I told you, this is like a really sturdy, like nice bag. And it has the Gucci, like fake Gucci in here too. Nice. Anyway, I'm impressed with this. I'm excited. So I hope you're excited too, because I got a really nice bag. I'll link it below, this bag, if you're interested in getting it. Like I said, it does come in 3 colors. It comes with red here, black here, or obviously the brown. So I'm excited about this baby. Oh yeah.
Several days later.
Okay, I'm honestly sitting on the ground. My room is in a different, stuff is changing right now, and I really didn't think I was gonna make this today because my Amazon delivery notice said I have at least 2 more days to wait for this package, but this is my second package from Amazon for my fake Gucci orders. There's been a little bit of a roller coaster about this item. This is my Gucci belt that I ordered. So let me just like give the backstory of this. Today is October 23rd. Originally when I ordered it on October 2nd, okay? And when I ordered the item, I just got a delivery notice. It said, your item will be delivered October 24th to November 15th. A little wide, but that's okay. Halfway through the ordering process, I want to say like October 15th, and I'll link the exact item that I ordered below. Maybe I shouldn't. Never mind. I guess the seller didn't know how to change the item to say sold out, so they just changed the picture of the item on Amazon to a text post that says, "Please don't place the order anymore. The product is not available anymore. Note, the orders before October 15th, 2018 have been shipped at normal and you will receive right items. Please don't worry." This is the lovely message that I received. So a couple days go by, I'm like, fine. I was a little worried that I wasn't gonna get the item, but it said that I was gonna get a fine, so whatever. And now the picture of the item is a lawn stake. Cool. Hopefully this comes, you know, as expected. It's just supposed to be like a black Gucci belt. This is like a little bit of a small package, but it feels like it's rolled up. So let's do an unboxing. So I guess I ordered the like skinny one. I don't even know if this looks real because honestly, I've never seen a Gucci belt in person before. I mean, it's a nice belt. Like the moral of the story is I needed a black belt anyway, and I just figured I would order this one because why not? But it is not the size that I ordered. I ordered like the big one that's like the Gucci is like this size, and this one is obviously very small. But as far as the belt is concerned, it's nice enough. To be honest with you, it's fine enough. Like, I'm not mad at this. All I asked for was a fake Gucci belt and they delivered. Let me see if this size belt even exists. So I guess this is just the smaller size. Honestly, that's fine. I don't know how much I wanted like a really like gaudy one, but just be warned that if you order this one online, you're gonna get the smaller size. Okay, and then, oh, I get it. You just kind of like place it into a little hole. It's cute. These teeth are fake already. I got hit with a softball and now I think it's time to close out this video. Moral of the story is if you order fake Gucci online, you're ordering a fake Gucci item. So it's not going to be as good as the regular thing, but I mean, for me, I'm excited about my purchases. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you want an update or let me know if you want any more because I'm thinking about doing a Louis Vuitton one. I have actually a item from that already. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry this is my appearance because I really did not think this was going to come in today, but I hope you enjoyed and I'll catch you on the next one.